Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you what we've got from the Укрстору. Look at this. Not this, this is a chili from our neighbor. So we got this table. Now look at this. Do you see? It's kind of floppy and not stable. Today I'm going to fix it. I got the screws, I will show you everything. So subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and let's start. First of all, I want to say a few words about Укрстору. Укрсtorу is like organization where volunteers take furniture from the Canadians who just gave it for free, and Ukrainians who arrived in Halifax could use it, could come, choose something and take it, because you know, when you are renting your new apartment, it will be empty without any furniture. You will have only a kitchen, cabinetry. You can come to Укрстору and take anything you need, like this table. So I'm going to try to repair it a little bit for it to be more stable. We have those pocket screws. You can see it's a square, but it's a Phillips in the same time. And we have impact. We have a Phillips drill bit. We can try to fix it. Let's start. One. Second. Now it's a little bit better. Now we have the pliers and we need to fix our legs. Let's fix it. Okay guys, it was easy. We just used only pocket screws, we used impact, and we used the pliers to fix the legs. So now it's a good stable table. We can normally eating or watching TV here. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you're interested about life in Halifax, Nova Scotia, it's Canada, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.